Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You begin by proving this is your Gmail and collecting backups. Sign into the account on a secure device, then export crucial messages with Google Takeout or label-based export. Once done, make sure recovery phone and email are current so you don't lose access while blocking. Change your password now to a strong, unique one as an immediate barrier. This first lock reduces the risk of accidental lockout and sets you up to take firmer steps. Keep going to apply device and access restrictions. Next, you revoke active sessions and cut off apps. Open Google Account Security and remove any device you don't recognize or no longer use. That immediately blocks those sessions. Then review third-party app access and revoke apps that read mail or act as mail clients. Once done, enable two-step verification and register an authenticator app or hardware key so sign-in requires something you physically control. These steps lock external points of entry and dramatically reduce the chance your account can be used elsewhere. Finally, decide whether to temporarily block or permanently remove the account. To temporarily block, sign out of all sessions, revoke app access, disable mail forwarding and filters, and keep two-step verification active. To permanently block, go to Google Account Data and Privacy and select Delete your Google account. Follow prompts and download any remaining data first. If something goes wrong, use account recovery immediately. Verify your recovery phone or email and retry. If recovery fails, contact Google support for guidance.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.